There has been a notable increase in whooping cough cases, particularly among unvaccinated teens. This resurgence is attributed by some experts to a growing weariness towards vaccinations following the pandemic. Despite this, individuals who have been vaccinated have reported less severe symptoms when infected, such as a brother who contracted the disease but endured a milder form due to vaccination, although he still developed pneumonia. The severity of the disease is highlighted by personal anecdotes, including a case where a young, healthy man broke 5 ribs due to the violent coughing associated with the infection.